Hello friends, welcome back on stitchingworld.com. Today I'll show you a very easy method to turn a big XL size dress into your size. Whatever is the dress, the bigger one, just turn it inside out. It's better if you could iron it. Out of a XL size or a bigger size dress, you can make shorter dress. We fold it. We will be cutting front and back together and we are making a simple t-shirt or a tunic. Place it, then check the length that you want. The dress I am making is going to be about 28 inches. Add half inch more for seam allowance. Take half of shoulder and add half inch to it. That comes out 7.5 inches. Same take for the armhole depth or go with the formula mentioned. Waist length, hip length, waist length 14 inch and hip length 21 inch. Chest line, chest divided by 4 plus 1 inch. Mark same as your shoulder, that is 7 inch on this chest line. Waist divided by 4 plus 1 inch. Or you can mark it 1 inch lesser than the chest line. Hip divided by 4 plus 1 inch. The bottom of the dress you can keep same as hip or 1 or 2 inches more than the hip line. Mark this shoulder with the marking we made on chest line. Neck width 3 inch. Back neck length or depth is 1 inch. Front neck depth is 5 inch. The measurements that I am showing you, what the numbers I am telling you, it will fit any head. Okay. If you are an adult, go half inch down on this armhole length and join this with the neck. Shape armhole, the front, take midpoint and then shape the front armhole going about half inch inside and mark half inch outside for the back armhole. Join the side markings of chest line, waistline and hip line till the bottom. If you have a tracing wheel, trace on the stitching lines, cut the outlines. On the sides, we keep 1 inch and leaving 1 inch for seams, we cut the sides. We are cutting front and back of this dress together. Make small cuts, notches, and here this dress is done, but remove the inside part, that is the back part of the dress. And here we have to cut front neckline, that is deeper. We cut front armhole. This is deeper. The front armhole is deeper than the back armhole. We have to cut sleeves. We'll use the sleeves on our dress. From the back side, we iron and take length. I'm taking 16 inch and add half inch to it. Extend till down, same as you marked on your dress. Go 3 inch inside, that is chest divided by 12. Leaving 1 inch from up, mark a slanting line, take midpoint of it. Go half inch curvier outside this line, half inch inside till half midpoint and then out. See, I am not cutting this sleeve from the sides, though it is slightly more than our armhole depth of the dress. Here we are cutting 2 sleeves. The back curve we cut on this sleeve, but the front curve we have to shape, we have to cut. And we want 2 identical sleeves, mirror image of each other. So we just keep one sleeve on another and press to get the front armhole marking. Then we cut only the front curvier side on this sleeve. Be very careful about this because the front would be joined with the front of the armhole of the dress and back with back armhole of the dress. This is one sleeve done, and this was our sleeve. Another one. We shape the front armhole on this also. Here our 2 sleeves are ready for both the armholes. We need 2 bias straps for finishing the neckline. These are slanting and these stripes are 1.5 inch in width. Length can be as long as the neckline. Now we join the shoulder. See, there are many methods how you can finish the neckline. I'm showing you one of the simplest, but this is not the ultimate one. This is not the last one. You can have any of the methods that I've shown in other videos, right? So I join one side of the shoulder, then from the back side of the dress we keep one bias tape, and keeping this bias tape we stitch around it. We had joined only one side of the shoulder, so we cover the entire neckline till the end. If you want, you can leave corner of this bias tape so that they can be tied from one side and slightly they give a flower kind of a look, or you can simply turn them towards right side of the dress and make a top stitch. So here we finish the neckline. This is a simple method, you can adopt any of the methods. Either you can finish the neckline front separate, back separate, and then join the shoulders, or you can join both the shoulders and then you can stitch the bias tape and then close another shoulder. We don't need extra bias tape. Now we close the sides because our sleeves are closed, they are joined from the sides, so we close the sides. If you want to keep a slit on the bottom of the dress, you can do so. So this is our sleeve, the right side out, and the dress back side out. Insert this sleeve and set it on the armhole. If you think that this sleeve armhole is sleeve is more bigger than the armhole, then you can stitch it from the side or make a pleat kind of a thing or a ruffle or this puff on the shoulder side to cover up the extra fabric of the sleeve. This way you will make both the sleeves, and it is easy. You can make shorter, smaller size dresses using the bigger sizes dresses, and easily using this method you can make comfortable tops for yourself, comfortable t-shirts for yourself. So let me know how did you like this video, and do make this dress. It is very simple to make, very comfortable to wear, and any day you can make them. So let me know how did you like it. Stay subscribed, share, and stay connected. Take care. Goodbye.